Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video I am going to explain two MNCs started their hiring for freshers. One will be Element 5 and another will be the one of people associated software engineering role. Both of them started their hiring for freshers. I am going to explain these two companies, so watch the video till the end. So don't skip it. Just subscribe to my channel, then only you may get more update from my channel. This is from software engineering training from Element 5. The location will be Chennai. You can change it to your location as much you can from your work experience. So the required thing will be BE, BTech, ME, MTech. So this is all the mandatory degree you should have. So next one will be, we are going to see what if it's you and what for you are bringing back and what is your role. They have provided everything in the designation page itself. You can read out everything about the company, where all they're located, Texas and Dallas and Chennai, India, all over pan India with 2-year employment. Everything they mentioned in the IT and healthcare, providing all the things they provide in that support their company itself. So no need of explain that. So just asking whether BE, BTech, every department can apply this. So the application for the job will be first your name and your initial email ID, phone number, your resume or same, both are same. So degree which you can mention associate, any kind of degree you can apply for them. So no problem. So from starting year to ending year, add educational from your degree or school, anything you can mention PG. This is what they record from their applying portal. So easily you can apply and submit. Once your resume got selected, you may apply for an exam round, and after interview TR and HR you selected up to 5 to 8 packages they are providing. They mentioned in their another page, applying page, so you can visit there also. The next one will be associated software engineering role from beyond the one from all over India. The minimum qualification will be BE, BTech in CS 88 EC and process development second, open learning new technologies. Desirable skill will be transcript, GitHub, Gantt, Webpack and employment understanding. These are all the things they mentioned here. Just want to click here and apply for the job. Create account in that. It will be helpful for a sign in or sign up. It's your wish to create account. Start apply now itself. If you have done any certification in this languages, it will be helpful for you to get a good jobs and a good salary. So if you have any doubt regarding these two companies, you just comment me in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching this channel.